Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 Chrysler Pacifica. This minivan continues to redefine what a family hauler can be, offering both style and functionality. So, buckle up, and let's see what this beauty has in store. First things first, let's check out the exterior. The 2025 Pacifica maintains its sleek, modern look, but with some refinements. The front grille gets a bolder design, and the headlights have a sharper look. There's a new wheel design available, and overall, the Pacifica presents a confident and sophisticated presence on the road. Don't forget, all trims except the Pinnacle offer the S Appearance package. This option adds a sporty touch with blacked-out exterior accents and unique light gray stitching inside. Interior. Now, let's hop inside. The 2025 Pacifica's interior is where it truly shines. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials throughout. Chrysler offers a variety of seating configurations, including comfortable captain's chairs in the second row. Technology is a big focus here. A large, user-friendly touchscreen dominates the center console, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of other features. The driver gets a crisp digital gauge cluster for essential information. And for those long road trips, passengers in the back will appreciate the available rear seat entertainment system. Plus, with up to 12 USB ports scattered throughout the cabin, everyone can stay connected and charged. The 2025 Pacifica comes with a bunch of driver assistance features, making your journeys safer and more relaxed. We're talking lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, just to name a few. When it comes to power, the Pacifica offers both gasoline and hybrid options. The gasoline engine delivers a smooth ride with good fuel economy, while the hybrid provides excellent efficiency for those eco-conscious drivers. So, there you have it, folks. The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica is a compelling choice for families who value both style and practicality. The combination of a comfortable interior, advanced technology, and a choice of powertrains makes this minivan a true winner. If you're looking for a vehicle that can handle all your family's adventures, the 2025 Pacifica is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.